On Veterans Day, we honor service members, but often forget the battles they face when they return home. Missouri's veteran suicide rate is one of the highest in the entire country. 7 out of every 100 veterans experience post-traumatic stress disorder, and thousands of veterans die by suicide every year. This year, the governor signed a new law that hopes to decrease veteran suicides. It adds improving veteran mental health as a core mission of the Missouri Veterans Commission, opening the door for research and treatment.
That support veterans are really important. Veterans have a lot of different needs, so I'm really proud of our state for promoting veterans programs and providing for our veterans.
In addition to that bill, lawmakers also allocated $120,000 in the state budget this year to hire additional positions to the Veterans Commission solely focused on mental health.